Morning children, this is the third part about simple equations. Now we are going to continue the remaining sums. What is that? Solve 3x plus 5 equal to 5x minus 11. We'll try to do that. We have to add, already we discussed how to solve that variables. We have to add minus 3x on both sides. When we add minus 3x on both sides, simply we can cancel that small term. By cancelling the small term, we can get the remaining value. So 3x plus 5 minus 3x, which is equal to 5x minus 11 minus 3x. And here in the LHS, 3 plus 3x and minus 3x cancelled. And remaining we have 5 constant remaining. And the RHS 5x minus 3x. The difference between 5x and 3x is 2x. We can get 5 is equal to 2x minus 11. We have to find the variable. Then how will you find that? When you take 2x as subject, then how will you get that? When you transposing minus 11 on right side, when you transposing on the left side, and this become minus 11 become plus, then we can get 2x is equal to 5 plus 11 and minus become plus, it will change. Then again 2x is equal to 5 plus 11 16. So x is equal to 16 by 2, we did get 8. Easily we can find that variable. Next, 5x is equal to minus 30. In the previous video, we did make directly transpose. I transposed 5 on right side. We just use another method. So 5x is equal to minus 30. How will you do that? We have to divide by 5 on both sides. Then divide 5 on both sides. Then 5x by 5 is equal to minus 30 by 5. Here 5 and 5 cancelled. Remain 5 how many times? 6 times. Then again we can get here 5 and 5 cancelled. Only we have x. Then when you take x is equal to how much it is? Minus of 6. So we got x equal to minus 6. Next one, x equal to minus 1. Next one, z by 6 equal to minus 3. Z by 6 equal to minus 3. Then how to do this? Z by 6 equal to minus 3. Then we can take that. Actually, if you do the direct method, we can take that 6 is in the denominator. And you transposing on right side, it multiplies with minus 3. So we should not use that method. We'll try to do that. And actually it is in the denominator place. We should multiply with 6 on both sides. Multiply by 6 on both sides. So how can you multiply with z by 6 into 6 is equal to minus 3 into 6. 6 cancel. Finally we can take z as subject. 3 6 are 18. We can get z is equal to minus 18. This is about solution. Next we are trying to do that problems. Now I am going to clean this. Next we will try to do these problems. Sum of two numbers is 95. If one exceeds the others by 3, find the numbers. Actually what is given that sum of two numbers is 95. One number exceeds the others by 3. For suppose we just assuming that let the number be x. And actually what he said that one exceeds the other by 3. And actually how do you take that? One exceeds by other 3. And How can you write that? X minus 3. Other one is equal to x minus 3. And actually what he said that if one exceeds the other by 3, one exceeds by other 3. And actually by the problem what he said that first number I will take that x and the other one is by 3, exceeds by 3. So sum of these two numbers is 95. So by the problem x plus x minus 3 is equal to 95. X plus x, 2x minus 3 equal to 95. Transpose minus 3 on right side. We can get 2x is equal to minus 3 become plus 3. 98. 98. So we can take that x is equal to, when you take x as subject, 98 by 2. How many times? 4 and 9. 49. And actually you want to know that remaining number, so we did get x be 49. Then you want to know that other number 49 minus 3. Another number x minus 3. We can take that 49 minus 3. How much it is? 46. That is the process. Next, trying to do that another one. What it is? Sum of 3 consecutive integers is 24. Find the integers. What are the consecutive numbers? Side by side number. The numbers integers is told that integers side by side number. We actually did not give any particular number, so we have to assuming that number. So then how do you take that? Let the numbers be x plus 1 comma x plus 2 comma x plus 3. He gave that sum of 3 consecutive integers. Why did I take that x plus 1 and x plus 2, x plus 3? Actually, first number I assumed first x plus 1. What may be the next one? X plus 2. And the next one may be x plus 3. So, these are consecutive numbers. But he told that sum of 3 consecutive. So, we have to add these 3 numbers. And which is equal to 24. He gave that. So, when you add that, x plus 1 plus x plus 2 plus x plus 3, which is equal, how much it is? 24. So how many x's are there? 1, 2, 3. So finally we can write that x plus 3x means 3x, and again 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6 is equal to 24. Again we have to take x as subject. When you transposing 6 on right side, how would you take that? 3x is equal to plus 6 become minus 6, and difference between 24 and 6, 3x is equal to 18. Then I am going to take x as subject. How would you take that? Already we discussed a lot of times. 3 is the coefficient of x. Then how would you take that? X is equal to, when you take x is equal to 18 by 3, how many times? 6 times. So we did find x value, we did find x value. Then can you find that x1 plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3? How would you find that? Actually first one, x plus 1 equal to, what is the value of x? 6. 6 plus 1, what it is? 7. The next one, x plus 2, x plus 2, what it is? 6 plus 2, which is equal to 8. Next one, x plus 3, 6 plus 3, how much it is? 9. Actually what is that? We told the sum of 3 consecutive numbers is 24. We just check that number. So 9 plus 8, 9 plus 8, 17. 17 plus 8, 7, 24. Actually what he said that sum of 3 consecutive numbers. Yeah. So if you observe that 7, 8, 9 are the consecutive numbers. Again, next one. What it is? Next one. After 15 years, which means 15 years later, Hannah's age will become 4 times that of her present age. Find the present age. And Actually, what he said that after 15 years, Hannah's age will become 4 times that of her present age. For example, we don't know about her present age actually, but he gave a small clue. What is that? 15 years later, Hannah's age is how much it is 4 times of her present age. By using that rule, we have to do that. We don't know about her present age, so we try to find out. Let her present age be. Let Hannah's present age. Hannah's present age be x. What is that? Hannah's present age be x. But actually, what he said that after 15 years later, his age be 15 years means after 15 years. After 15 years, then how can you take that? And actually, I'm going to, for example, my age 10 years for right now. Present age of mine, for example, 10 years. What about the age after 15 years? We can take the 10 plus 15, 25 years. We have to add that number, add that numbers. But actually, what he said that present age, I assumed that x. So after 15 years means x plus 15. After 15 years means x plus 15. But he told that Hannah's age will become 4 times that of her present age. And actually, what by the problem x plus 15. After 15 years later, her age means x plus 15, which is equal to 4 times of her age. Then we can take that. How can you take that? 4 times of her age, present age. And actually, when you take that, this is the present age, 4 times of her age. Then transpose x on right side. 15 is equal to 4x minus x. 15 equal to 4x minus x. The difference between 4x and x. 3x is equal to 15. X is equal to 15 by 3. How much it is? 5 times. And actually, what about Hannah's age, present age? Hannah's present age is 5 years. That's simple.